Jen, partner, and... Wow, change costume, iba. And Art and partner. Okay, let's go. Dito ko lang natin. Okay, play music. Let's go. Wag lang pa sa stage, ha? Wag lang pa sa stage. 1, 2. Lower. Yes. Saan pa kayo makakarating? More. Let's go. Okay, thank you so much. Next, Honey and partner and Brian and partner. Let's go.
Go, Tracy!
And music please. Ready na? Ay, nagdasal pa. Talaga naman. Let's go! Ay, ayan o. Ibababa nila yan o. Let's go! Sayaw! Lower! Okay, thank you so much! Next partner, Sheila and Kevin. O, isipin nyo na kung sino mananalo kasi malakpakan to. Tingnan nyo na kung sino yung dalawang manok nyo na mananalo, ha?
Siyempre, tayo sa atin.
Play music!
Para natin, me. Para na lang dapat.
Ay, wow! Vice ganda. Okay, thank you so much! Huy! Tabi na daw kayo dyan. Okay, let's go. Lahat. Everyone! Line lang po.
Alright, good job everyone. So how about lahat na? Let's go. Then after that, we're gonna do a dance with choose your favorite dancers. Favorite danceries, yes, okay? Then later gonna hear it, then after that you're just gonna clap hands, okay? Okay, one more time, we're gonna show you the moves. Just a quick one, then after that, one by one ano?
Clap na po.
Clap na, alright.
Let's go! Todo na to! Kunin nyo na kung sino yung ano. Let's go!
Lahat na! 6, 7, go! Yes! Oh, how about FBC out? Let them dance it! Let them dance! FBC out! Let's dance! Yes! FBC out! Go freestyle! One, yes! Hey! Pose! Alright! Good job! Palpakan naman po sa kanila dyan! Ayan!
Okay, ready na ba kayo? Nakapili na ba kayo ng dalawa?
Okay, saan po tayo dito lahat? Dali!
Okay, kapag nilagay ko yung kamay ko sa ibabaw ng ulo nila, ibig sabihin, pag gusto niyo yun, papalakpak kayo. Okay? Let's go! Sino? Papalakpak kay!
Yes!
Ang papalakpak kay! Ay, grabe din ha. Talaga namang may power yung pagkakasali na kanina, no?
Next!
Okay, next!
Oh, meron sa likod.
Meron sa likod.
Ayan.
Next!
Ano pala?
Next!
Ano na po natin nanalo? Di ba mga patalipin na? Siyempre, dito naman. Ayan, ano lang natin?
Gracie!
Alright, again. Thank you so much. You guys can approach me, then I'll pass you the ticket. Later on, I'll approach you everyone for the consolation prize. Alright, thank you so much. we are from FDCSG, Filipino Dance Club. Sing
Alright, thank you so much, FDC. Grabe. Pang World Club Singapore. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Kailangan kasi naman palakpakan. Palakpakan mo din, guys.
May hawak ko eh, di sigaw na lang.
Alright, once again, the FDC Singapore.
Oh yeah. We got the one and only. Yeah, drop it.
me go. Dip, click, flash, watch me pose. Work, 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 watch me go.
Alright, once again, thank you all.